new to this channel, hi, my name is Rebecca. I'm here to help you if you are starting a business or thinking about starting a business, or if you've been running a business for like a year. I'm here to give you my tips and tricks on how to be an entrepreneur. All things entrepreneur. So welcome to the Art of Becca J. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Art of Becca J. I hope you are well, and I am sorry that I've been away for a while, but I'm back, and today's video is all about being covered. If you are thinking of starting an online clothing business or any sort of business, whether it's jewellery, skincare, and you're thinking, how can I protect my business, my brand, my name, in case of something goes wrong, in case, you know, sometimes we have people out there who likes to scam, no offense, and there's also people who can, items go missing, people who might get injured, or worse, something might happen if they have your products. How do you protect yourself? You need to be insured. If you are starting a business, whether it is small or you've been around for a while, it's important to have insurance. Having insurance is so important to protect not only your business but yourself. When I first started selling on the market, I had to get an insurance, and that's how I was introduced to insurance. I never understood why I needed it at the time, but as I learned and researched and figured out places where I can get insurance, I understand the importance of protecting myself and the public as well. Now, if you are worried about starting a business, starting anything, having insurance will be that extra protection. I know for myself, there's some few things I'm starting and rebranding, and when I first started one of these products, well, I should say projects, I never had insurance. I was freshly in uni. I didn't know what I was doing, and I remember when I restarted selling again, then certain products would go missing through the mail, and I was like, oh my gosh, what do I do? And I realised I needed insurance to protect myself so that my stock was protected and myself was protected. Now, where do you go to get protection? Now, there are a few companies out there for insurance, one of them being Policy B. Policy B is great. That's what I use for my community interest company to protect myself. As you know, I do donate hygiene kits, so just that extra protection when you're giving out kits to schools and that have products in there, you just want to protect yourself just in case something happens. Another company I use is Hayes Parson Insurance Brokers. They are perfect, especially when you're starting selling on the market or a market store and you don't know where to get insurance. That's what I go for. It's perfect. It costs like £59 to cover you for the year, like for 5 million. So that's perfect protection to your business. I'm so sorry if you can hear like yelling and talking outside. I don't know what's going on. I just heard the sirens not long ago. So I hope this video helped you so much. I will leave everything I spoke about in the description box below. So please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.